What's up, guys? Good afternoon. It's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. We got the Stretch Typhon out. We're gonna try to make a run with it. I just got the Mamba Monster X 8S installed in it. Got all the way out here, guys, and I forgot my body clips. So I got the good old Gorilla Tape on here, and we're gonna try to make a run with it. Damaged and cracked the body on the last crash I had, so it's not the end of the world if the body gets any more damaged. But we're gonna get down the road here, see if we can make a decent run with it. This will be my first long run with it, with the Mamba Monster X with the 8S in it. We're running it on 6S. Tracking. Running it on 6S. I don't have any 4S batteries that'll fit in that tray to make it run 8S right now. So okay. I forgot I didn't have my steering changed. That was a good run, guys, down there at the end. I'm pretty sure that was well over 100 miles an hour, but let's verify that real fast. 106, guys. 106. Okay. It's like a 48 degrees outside, guys, so I'm not expecting to break any records here. Motor's actually still cold. The ESC fan's not on. So I think I could actually make another run with it. I'm gonna let it sit for a second. 106, guys. Alright, guys. Got 12 satellites going here. Tracking. We're going to try one more run. Got 106 on the first one. Let's see if we can get better than that real quick. All right, here we go. started drifting left, guys, so had to abort it. It's still kind of drifting left. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I didn't bring any extra batteries or anything like that, so that was 91. I'll check the temperature real quick. We'll see. Yeah, it's 91 degrees, guys. It's not even hot. ESC fan's not on. So anyway, guys, I think I'm going to call it right there. I don't have a voltage checker with me, and this ESC is not protected, so I don't want to ruin the battery if it happens to drain it a little too far. But not bad for a first test, guys. 106 miles an hour, and obviously it has quite a bit more than that in it. We'll get it adjusted and tuned up, and we'll be back out. Anyhow, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, think about hitting that subscribe button and giving me a like. Any likes you guys give me, it sure does help. So I do appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and y'all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.